Perfect.
That's what I
Hey,
meant.
Chat. You want to play WoW today, chat?
You like WoW?
pandas.
We're pandas, yeah.
I was going to. There's key bindings. Man, I haven't played this in a hot ass minute.
I know.
Holy crap.
So we did the whole thing of this like a long time ago, and we played the one characters,
Mm-hmm.
but we haven't.
I don't
done
even
this.
remember what was that Battle for Azeroth? Was that expansion that was out when we were playing?
I don't recall.
I don't know.
It was quite a long
There was a
time
whole
ago.
nother island. That's what I remembered.
Oh, there's plenty of other islands. At this point, there's alternate timelines. Like you literally go talk to a person and they like, oh, let's change everything to this expansion timeline.
And the Horde and the Alliance still don't like each other in every timeline.
Yeah, generally. Some expansions they're okay with each other, some expansions they're not. It's all over the place.
Well, I just wondered if they ever like my thought was why didn't they have like a timeline where a third group came in and they had to work together, because it like always seemed like that was where it was heading. Did that
that is what Legion was. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Except they were still mad at each other because Sylvanas did a thing that caused Varian to die or whatever. It's lore.
Oh, when she became the underworld queen or whatever.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, chat. This is World of Warcraft.
I think even the first expansion, I think
so many things that happened.
Burning Crusade did that too. There's probably more examples of it. Mia knows better than I.
It's true.
Where do I look at my abilities?
Are you dancing with the other pandas?
P is your spellbook.
For pabilities.
Yep.
Got it.
So in case you guys don't know, we're Real Good AI. We're here to talk to you about our nonprofit that helps other nonprofits do the best they can in the great missions they're already doing by assisting them with AI. We also love to talk about education and support AI and research in the community, and these are the sort of things that we do as an organization. And so I am the director of Real Good AI. I'm Mandy, Bob's wife. We have other people on the call. Do you want to introduce yourselves?
I don't know. Do I?
Okay, you don't probably need to introduce yourself, but you could say that you're the board president. So
I am
part of it.
I am not as unrelated to this as it may seem. I am actually the board president, which just means I watch.
Sorry, he sits upon his throne.
Yeah, I was gonna say you drink and you know things.
Basically, I don't drink though. Yes, I'm a panda. Unrelated chat.
Drinks.
We're cutting off Craig. You're being very rude, chat.
No, you're good. I am fixing audio, so I appreciated that. That was actually really useful. So I guess I'll do my intro then. I am Craig. I am the outreach director for Real Good AI. I get to partner with the charities and do that kind of stuff, and I'm the one streaming and fixing my audio. That's what I've got.
And we have a very fun guest today who is a scientist working in the AI field.
Yeah, I'm Eric. I'm a postdoc at Vanderbilt. I do a lot of data science research in bioinformatics, specifically in drug development sort of stuff. And I am a volunteer at Real Good at this point.
Nice. And Eric is also my brother, in case you don't know, and Maestro Oak in chat, so he's always here hanging out and giving us the good questions. So thank you, Eric, for joining us. And at his request, we are playing WoW today.
Yep. I've been on a kick. I saw some streamers doing hardcore classic, and I was just like, ooh, I remember WoW. WoW was fun. I should try playing WoW. And then it's been like a month and a half, and I still haven't stopped. So that's how it be.
Sounds good. So how do we get this party started?
Just doing the tutorial quests. Just as usual, go talk to someone with an exclamation point, and then do the thing they tell you. It's just all tutorial stuff. So
loot and equip a bow.
Yeah, there should be like weapon racks
It's
laying
in the
around.
rack, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Ooh, I got
How do
it's
I
right
equip?
here. If you click on it, oh yeah.
B will open your backpack, and then
Ah,
just right click it.
Oh, hey, what's up, ski buddy?
Ski
thank
buddy.
you.
This is also great because
Yoink!
I haven't played WoW in a long time. So if anyone here is new to WoW or interested in understanding what it is, this is the beginning of what your play experience would be like.
Yeah.
This is literally
Yeah,
new
basically,
characters.
if you ever watch anyone play this on the internet, they're probably way past this.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
They're,
they also,
they're probably doing
Rating.
magical stuff you can never comprehend, and that's just how it goes. But this is the beginning.
There is that one panda though that doesn't leave the opening area.
Is that
There is
this
this is my favorite thing because every expansion Mia tells me what has happened to this guy, but like apparently so when you leave the island you have to, I don't want to spoil the story, but like when you leave the island you have to make a decision, and the guy was like, I'm not gonna leave the island. So apparently he's max level by just picking flowers in this area.
you know what? That's a way to live.
I am honestly impressed, and like every time I hear about this person it makes me really happy because I know that that's not what the developers wanted, and that's very funny to me. But I cannot figure out where I'm supposed to go now. Oh, destroy the stuff. Okay.
Destroy the things, kill the guy, get the stuff, destroy the things.
Yep.
Eschethera.
As usual.
Eschethera. Guys, I'm already level 4. I don't want to brag, but I'm pretty much
What the
killing it.
heck?
Yeah,
You get that? I'm
made-
just doing the training stuff. You just go fast now.
Yes, leveling is absolutely brain dead in the current retail WoW.
Why do I
Chris?
shoot so slow? Okay.
Because you're a stinky stinker.
Okay. Thank you, husband. Love you too.
Yep, I got your back.
No, this is not Pandaren. This is just retail.
This
I'm
is
level
main. Wow.
I gotta go somewhere now. Heck.
There's a lot of that in this world of Warcraft.
Yeah,
Nice.
this is why this is not my favorite game until you get to the
Is there an auto run?
Yes, it's numlock for some reason.
How am I supposed to do this without an animal?
That's not a key I have.
They're kicking my butt.
You can probably rebind it.
Yeah.
It's not letting me even attack them to help you for some reason.
Oh, do I have to turn on? Oh, I have to turn on. Like,
Oh,
all
I
the
have-
settings.
I have that rebound already. It's mouse button 4 because I'm not insane. Good job,
Oh,
Pass
I can
Bob.
put them to sleep. That seems
You
neat.
Yeah,
be
abilities. Remember, abilities just pop up on your bar down there. So do the things, even though
Yeah, I was
It
just
gives
you
basic
this.
attacking because I
it gives you
didn't
no
realize.
prompts whatsoever to do the things.
Yeah, it's WoW. It's 50 years later. You should know how to play WoW. I
Yeah,
don't.
like you haven't already done this 13 times. Where have you been?
I know it's WoW. It's what year is it? Indeed. I gotta go
Yeah,
check.
this game is over 20 years old.
This is not the right way. Where am I?
I think I'm on the quest with you, Mandy. Yep.
Okay.
Are you turning in the stifled pride or whatever? Okay, cool. Yeah, we're on the same quest.
Yeah.
Not level 4 yet.
So Eric, tell us about what made you choose your field and what you do in your job.
Well, so the story I always tell about when I chose my field was I was in AP biology class, which is surprising because pretty much the rest of my high school career had predestined me to be a musician. That's like what the family business was. But I was in AP bio trying to think of like, what should I do? Because music's kind of a hard career. So what else should I do? And we were just doing labs in that class where we had things like looking at cells undergoing mitosis underneath a microscope and learning about how DNA actually affects the living organism itself. And I was just like, this is so awesome. This rocks. I want to learn more about how to do this. So I did.
You learned about how mitochondria was the powerhouse of the cell.
Exactly.
And you were
And
like,
actually,
yes,
it's
more of that.
co-evolved from a cyanobacteria. At least that's the current working theory, that it was
What does
just a
that mean?
bacteria that's just, it's a specific flavor of bacteria that undergoes photosynthesis, and it just like swooped into a bigger cell at some point, and they just co-evolved so that now they're dependent on each other. Because like the mitochondrion has its own piece of DNA. So people were like, well, that probably is just left over from when it was its own organism. But yeah. Mitochondrion, cool place.
And so AP Bio made you pick what you
Yeah, AP Bio made me pick biochemistry. But then in the first or second year of my undergrad, I started doing a little bit of game dev projects, just like people I met on the internet getting interested in making games. And I was doing the music stuff because that's what I knew how to do. But it turned out it was one of those projects where everyone was an artist and no one knew how to code. So I started teaching myself programming. I had tried to do it a couple times before, and it just never really stuck. But I taught myself programming. Use Codecademy was the tool that I used, and it's no longer free to use, I don't think. So sad, but it was a really, really great tool for learning Python for the first time on your own.
So you started on Python first.
Yes, Python was my very first language. I had tried to do iTunes U classes that were from MIT that were teaching, I can't remember if it was C++ or Java, but it was something that was too hard for just teaching yourself. So yeah, I taught myself Python, and then I started trying to integrate that with the science that I was doing. So I started by doing like a project in 3D printing molecular models, and then eventually went to like scripting a thing for an image processing software because they had some assay that they wanted to measure the color of, so they needed someone to like automatically analyze the images. But then finally I ended up what I stuck with, which was a virtual screening project. And what that is that you have a protein that's, if you shut it down, it'll have some sort of therapeutic effect. And specifically, the protein we were looking at was something that if you shut it down, it sensitized bacteria were resistant to be taken down by those antibiotics. So we were making basically like a chemical sensitizing agent by targeting this protein. And so I computationally did sort of an agnostic screen of a huge set of potential drugs and determine which of them would likely interact with that protein and cause the effect we wanted versus which ones would not. And I ended up publishing that. But basically what that was my foot in the door for doing bioinformatics and therapeutic design in combination with protein structure sort of stuff.
So at a really low level, can you tell me why someone might want to be in bioinformatics? Like, you've sort of said it, but could you summarize it?
Well, it's both data science. It's easier than wet lab, I would say. I'm sure some people would disagree with that, but it's less unreliable than wet lab can be. That with wet lab experiments, you have issues of like, oh, I have to make sure all my reagents are working well. Things take a long time to actually get going. Like, it can take years to just set up the experiment you actually want to do because you have to get all of the cells in the right configuration. So bioinformatics
and
is
then all
nice
your
because
yeast
it's
dies.
Yes, exactly. Then someone accidentally leaves the freezer cracked and all of the
Right.
cells die and yada yada.
It sounds like a very specific situation.
Whereas computationally, you don't have to deal with any of that. You just get the data from many free government-sponsored databases that pretty much everyone deposits into, and you can just ask your questions of that data. That, and also it's I like it better than just like pure theoretical data science, because it does have that realistic impact, right? It's got a direct link to helping public health, right? That you're not just making a better model for the sake of making a better model. You are making a better model, tools to help people actually make things that can save people's lives, right? It's really.
Can you be a little bit more specific on what those sort of things are then? It's like drug design, right?
Yeah. So things like tools that will assess the interaction between a drug and the therapeutic target, or things that will let you design custom binders to that therapeutic target that are not necessarily just like a small molecule. Like, for example, this year's Nobel Prize in Chemistry was basically one of the leaders of the field that I'm in. He does protein design stuff, which basically means that we're taking the existing chemistry of a protein and just modifying a little bit so that it's able to perform the function we want, whether that be bind to a therapeutic, whether that be enhancing its enzymatic activity, like having it make a specific chemical reaction go faster, or whatever. All of those things are in the field of protein design. Specifically, one project I'm working on is helping design a vaccine candidate for alphaviruses.
What's an alphavirus?
Alphaviruses are this class of virus that we don't really have a good vaccine for yet, and so we have this huge project to design and deploy a alphavirus vaccine that'll target all of them, not just one specific strain of alphavirus, but all of them all at once. And we can do that using computation. Of course, it's not just computation. We still have to make the thing real and actually test it out in mouse models first, but it all starts with computation.
Nice. And so you'll like give them candidates of things that they should try in clinical
Exactly.
trials.
Yeah.
Right. Awesome.
I realized that my microphone was muted, but I had a question. It seemed like a very specific situation that happened with the freezer. If anyone.
Yeah, that happened once in undergrad. That somebody accidentally left our -20 cracked, our -20 Celsius cracked, and we lost like $1,000 worth of reagents based off of that, because all of the -20 isn't usually like cell stocks. It's usually like like your enzymes and stuff like that. Basically specific reagents that if left out on the counter may deactivate because of room temperature not agreeing with it. And we ended up losing a good amount of reagents because someone accidentally left it cracked.
Oops.
That, and also like the -80s, which are what you put the cell stocks in, those will have like alarm systems on them if they go above like -75 or something like that, because that can be catastrophic if one of those ends up getting left open or warms up too much, because that can kill cells that you've spent years working on actually be the strain you want it to be, sort of stuff. It's like the cellular version of mouse models, right? That mice you have to like breed selectively for months and months before you can actually do the real experiment so that they have the genetic profile you want them to have to actually do the experiment. And cells are no different. They're just a little bit easier to work with because you can actually just like slap some DNA in there directly rather than having to breed it in or do some really fancy cloning to get it to work.
So, what's your favorite thing about working in that your job? What's your favorite thing?
It's the work. It's that it's really just fascinating to me how all this stuff works, that it's new and interesting problems every day. It's the impacts that it has on real people. It's the understanding the mechanisms of, because I study proteins primarily, right? And proteins are kind of the machinery of the cell. So we're learning about how things are alive like they are machines by studying the function of proteins. Not just at an individual protein level of seeing like, oh, there's these cool little proteins that like actually take steps along the inside of the cell to move things around, not just things like that, but also at a systems level, like all right, let's understand how turning up or turning down specific amounts of proteins might impact the health of the cell, or might be able to transform one kind of cell into a completely different kind of cell. That sort of stuff is just completely, it seems science fiction to me, and it's super cool that I feel like I get to work on it every day.
That's awesome. But so you also really like, I've heard you talk before. I have an in about the working with people, and particularly working with students. So everyone has
Yes.
this picture in their head of scientists, and they're like recluses in their lab by themselves. That's not accurate, right?
Right. So philosophically, I really like biology specifically because of how it is, but I also definitely want to be a teacher. That I'm not just a research machine like the typical image of scientists tends to be, that I just want to be left alone and to do my work, sort of thing. I really am interested in using what I understand about data science and biology to help other people also achieve their goals. And specifically, I've put a lot of effort into trying to get teaching experience and building my own sort of subgroup in the lab to gain that opportunity and that experience, because that's really what I would be looking forward to in an academic career. Is not necessarily where the money is of getting grants funded and getting research done and publishing or perishing. It's the using that opportunity to help other people out with what is complicated to them.
Oh my gosh, sorry. That's great. I'm just getting my butt kicked by these little dudes.
Oh, the little dudes for the person who's meditating. Yeah, I
Yes.
almost died to that, and then I remembered I'm a priest.
How do I heal myself?
Outside of combat, you'll start to heal up.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're
But
healing.
I should come over there and heal you if I wasn't getting slapped by some dude.
Yeah, because Bob and Craig are just following me around and doing whatever I'm doing.
Yeah,
which
well,
I
I forgot
appreciate.
that one instances. So I was actually not helping you on that. Is why that turned so difficult. I forgot. I was like, I'll just get through this real quick, and then I started doing the stuff that we can all hang out and do together. So I'm on like the next quest right now.
On the
I'm literally
of the Hulin.
I have the way of the Huijin.
Yeah, that's the one.
So we're supposed to
I
go and
probably
kill
should
some dudes.
back up and
hang out with us.
yes.
Mia says Eric could be
'Cause I'm
nice
on-
and pocket heal you.
Oh yes, that's what I'm trying to do. I just need to find you first.
Yeah, usually it's Bob. Bob is usually the healer. I'm not used to this.
I wanted to make a priest, but I don't know how to play it. But I thought Heal Good would have been a good name, and then so I was very excited.
Here we are, Eric.
Here. Oh, I
So,
can't do that while moving.
See ya.
Thanks. Running to turn the thing in. So, chat, if
Can't
you have any
believe that-
questions for Eric or about his work or about science or in general, please put them in the chat, and we'll get him to answer your questions.
Or about what I'm doing for real good.
That's true too.
That would be cool.
Take that, monkey butt. The greatest virtue.
Hey Eric, what kind of stuff are you doing for real good?
Well, right now my volunteer project is to build an educational Fortnite level. That's an idea that we've had that would be good to bring some of the ideas of ML to the wider public. So I've been learning UEFN, which is the engine that Fortnite uses to make new levels. And then I've also been making a design document that just sort of outlines ideas of how to translate some of these ML concepts into actual game mechanics.
ML is machine learning. Did we announce that to the people?
Oh, no, I guess that was
They'll
jargon, but
know.
ML machine learning. AI, probably better.
So yeah, so when you're talking about AI and when we talk about AI, it's sort of like an umbrella term that encompasses a lot. Can you talk about the type of AI you use? Is it ChatGPT?
Not exactly. I actually do kind of use ChatGPT as part of my work, but it's mostly for like, hey, I need this function that I could write myself, but it would take like 30 minutes, but you can do it real quick. Let me just describe it for you. That's usually what I'm using ChatGPT for anything. But really, my job has sort of been revolutionized by AI. That not only am I making my own AIs, but every aspect of the job is almost all involved with interacting
Don't kill
with...
this.
Oh, you were trying
want
to
that.
pet it.
Here, I'll bring you one.
There's one over here. There's plenty over here.
I got you a Corsac Fox.
Yeah, how do I get it? I'm confused.
Isn't there an ability that's like capture pet or something like that?
There's a feed pet situation, but he doesn't seem interested.
I'm letting him bite my ass. Take your time.
I don't know how to do it.
I
Take your
swear there's an
time.
ability called capture pet somewhere.
Whole pet aspect of the cheetah.
Chat is saying you have to be a certain level. What level are you?
Like 5.
Ow.
If I recall, 5 is the level, but I don't know for sure. Where's Panda Bonk? Here, take heals. But no, my job is constantly interacting with AI, usually in using tools that others have developed, and those tools are usually actually surprisingly close in their design to what ChatGPT is, but instead of speaking the language of words, it's speaking the language of proteins. Like, the proteins can be expressed as like a series of characters that's referred to as the amino acid sequence. I won't define that jargon because it's not incredibly important to understand what that means, but it's like a fingerprint descriptor of what that protein is. And so we have models that sort of mimic what ChatGPT is doing that have understood that sequence of amino acids and will perform the predictions and the analysis we want to do based off of those sequences. But I've also trained my own stuff. Specifically, the stuff that I end up training the most is what's referred to as graph convolutional neural networks. It's a little bit mathematically complicated to explain, but when I say graph, I mean it in the way I mean it to be
like a bar
analogous.
chart. We got it.
No, I mean it to be like a network. Like if you think of how Facebook is a social network, you have people and then friendships between people. So you have your nodes of your network, which is every person, and then the edges of the network, which is the connections between people. So if they're friends, they have an edge between them. That's what I refer to graph. And so a lot of the stuff we do is molecular structures, and that really easily lends itself to being a graph, because in that specific case, every node of the graph is an atom of the molecule, and then the edges are the bonds between the molecules, or even maybe something that's not explicitly a bond, but is still an important interaction between some of the atoms that can also happen, and actually is kind of one of the primary driving forces of how proteins do their work. Is that
so that's a lot of words to just say that it's a certain type of model that just represents the physicalness of the protein and its connections.
Yeah, it represents the chemistry of the protein structure, and it's referred to as a message passing neural network, because the idea is that the nodes all talk to each other, and you train the model to learn what the message they should be telling each other is.
Cool.
Science, got it.
Science.
Yep.
So
Are you guys getting all your tree roots and whatnots? Did you figure out what you have to do with the fanning the
No.
flames thing? You have
I
to
did
come
the
over
fanning
here.
The flames thing, but
Oh,
I did
the
not
tree
do
roots
the,
are
the
just-
That's the quest I'm on.
roots.
The tree roots are just little glowy
Oh,
nipples
okay,
that
yeah,
stick out
yeah,
of the
you
ground.
guys
You just
have
need
just
to
been
gather
doing them.
Yeah, that we've just all been doing it, so it's not been available.
Got it.
Get the nips.
Thanks, Bob.
I'm here for you. Also, kill an arbitrary number of monkeys just for funsies.
Well, the monkeys kept attacking me, so they got what they deserved.
They are kind of weenies. I think there's a nip over here. Behind the big tree. I don't know. I'm far away from you guys. That's not helpful. You know, over here.
I'll just look. They just take a minute to respawn.
Oh no, I didn't realize living air was
I got you.
hurdy.
It's good to see you. Welcome. The greatest.
Ta-da. You just have to loot his thing.
Yep, got it.
Leave me alone, monkey.
Forget injuries.
Thank you.
Never forget kindness.
Go away.
I cannot attack.
Oh. You got him.
So Eric, I have a few questions. The you said this is slightly more of the less science and more just how you got into it. But you said one of the things you said was that you like doing your line of work because it feels very sci-fi, and you like that.
Mhm.
Since people in the chat are here, what kind of sci-fi are you into? Like, what shows are there? This will make everyone really happy because everyone always agrees on sci-fi. So I figured I would ask, and then no one will judge your decisions in the chat.
Yeah, clearly everyone recognizes what media is good and what media is bad.
We all agree.
Well, we all
I
agree
mean, so-
Bob is the best, so.
Am
Yeah,
I sci-fi?
Sometimes.
But in media, I'm just saying. Continue.
Oh,
He's the
in
best
general
media.
in media. Got
yes,
it.
in
Got it.
general.
Let's see. I tend to gravitate towards sci-fi plots because I like plots that sort of make you reconsider your perception of reality sort of stuff. Like I liked Slaughterhouse-5 a lot when I read that, because there was like a thematic reason behind sci-fi. Of course, there's some sci-fi that's just like adventure, fun, stupid, like your Star Wars. That it's just sort of like, wow, what if world was lasers and space? That'd be cool, right?
Yep. That would be cool.
Be pretty neat.
But I really like thinky sci-fi. I feel like I would like Star Trek if I actually watched it, but I don't watch much stuff, honestly. It's kind of a weakness in my ability to socialize with others, is that I don't watch things. But I did play the hell out of Mass Effect. I've played the hell out of Destiny.
Cool.
When it comes to space versus fantasy, I'm more on the side of space than fantasy. Surprisingly, even though we're playing fantasy game right now.
What?
Replay.
If you could be in a sci-fi world, which one would you choose?
Oh.
No one will
I
judge you.
just said I don't know a single thing about Star Trek, but Star Trek seems like a good one because it's like world peace. That's like
I'd
the whole
pick
idea.
the Orville because it's like Star Trek but funnier.
But fart jokes.
Space fart jokes.
Farting out
But
of
then the
orifices you
AIs
didn't even know could exist.
take over or whatever, Bob. It's bad.
Yeah, but then we time travel, fight them off. I don't know. It's a TV show. The good guys win. Mandy, I'm gonna guess this is not the way.
Stuck in the. Okay.
I'm gonna guess this was not the place we're supposed to go.
What? It's my question mark is in here though. Isn't it?
Well, it says that the fire guy is angry. I think we need to go up this way
I might have lost.
and just not get lit on fire very much. It's not as bad as it looks.
What question are you all on?
He
It
says
really
as he
wasn't.
definitely leads her to her death.
Found it.
I think I'm in the cave and I'm supposed to be on it. Are you guys on top of something
That
right
seems
now?
bad.
Yeah. Oh, it's just an actual wall. You can't even. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I mapped my auto run to the mute button. That's why this keeps muting. That's pretty funny.
Hi, Craig.
Hey, how's it going, everyone?
How
I have a lot of friends.
how
They'll go away
ignite?
eventually.
How ignite? You know?
Press.
Okay, so what quest are
What?
you all on right now? I'm on the Challenger's Fires, and I think I'm behind you.
I'm-
all.
Yeah. Oh, I'm doing the Challengers fires. Yes.
Me too.
I see.
I'm
I see.
about to be there. I didn't turn in a quest before walking all the way to this cave.
I
Just get on your
am
mount.
lost.
Now I'm there. You don't get that until 10.
Just get on your mount.
Ah! Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, is
Yeah.
it battle
Yes.
time?
He
Do we
bite.
need to
he
assist
bite.
you?
Can you?
Here, come here. Come here.
Huh?
Fight him. I wouldn't
Stop
want
going
to
after
be
my
in
friend.
the world, but I love Westworld's picture of the sci-fi future. I think it's really interesting. It's not
I don't know
accurate,
anything
so
about-
don't take that. That's not where AI is going, but it's very AI focused. It basically it code humans but better as AIs. And first they put them in a park, which is Westworld. And they the humans can do whatever they want and live out their fantasies. And turns out when humans are in video games and stuff, they do horrible stuff. And then, as you can imagine, they gain sentience and rise up, and it's a whole thing.
Oh, I'm not doing anything to this guy.
Yeah, sorry, we can't.
Go back to
Help?
help you. We should have waited for Eric. My bad.
I didn't realize what we were doing.
Yeah, me either. I was just all talk to the guy, talk to the guy.
Here, I'm helping. I'm auto
Thankfully,
running.
he's not doing like anything to me. Me and Craig are smashing him.
Yeah.
I'm dancing with Master Li Fei. Am I distracting him?
Well, he
Yes.
just gave up
It
before he was
works.
dead, so
Yeah.
You're welcome.
So,
I
what's
don't know which weapon I want.
what's a really cool tool that you've used in the past that people might know about? Do you have any cool,
Sorry, repeat that. I got a big
cool
quest.
AI
Over
machine learning tools that might be useful that people haven't used before?
here. I mean, there's the standard ones of like ChatGPT. There's Perplexity is one that's gaining a lot of traction because of its ability to sort of combine AI with the Google search. But I end up using just like ChatGPT's search function for that. A lot of the stuff I use is kind of like science specific, so I don't know if I have a lot of examples for people in general. But are you wanting to hear about the science specific ones?
Sure.
I think we need to just wait for him to reset is what's happening.
Okay.
Just chill.
Okay.
Go
you
ahead.
gotta
Eric.
press the token on him and then let your animation play out.
I don't got the no token.
The quest has like the item next to it. Weird. Okay. I mean, the stuff I use a lot is tools that you would put in a grant, like your AlphaFold 2. That's the one that just won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry. It's made by Google DeepMind for predicting the actual 3D structure of a protein given the amino acid sequence. I use a lot of the design tools.
Whoa.
It's literally just there are web servers out there that you can just put your amino acid sequence into and it'll give you a structure. It'll just run the whole thing for you. You don't even have to worry about how it works. It's just kind of put in protein, get out structure. It's really, really simple. Some of them are less simple, like some of the stuff that the Baker Lab made can get really, really complicated, but they kind of, in academia, expects that if you're using computer stuff, you know how to use computer. So you end up having to use like supercomputer stuff in order to use those tools. It's paradoxically accessible and inaccessible at the same time.
So I'm not even sure our viewers know what a supercomputer is. Can you talk about what that means?
Yeah, so a supercomputer, when I was first learning about computers in general, the thing that I thought a supercomputer was just like a CPU somewhere that was like huge and went really, really fast. That's only half true. It does go really, really fast, but it doesn't go fast because it's like one big honkin' chip that has like a fast clock speed or like does operations really quickly. It's really highly parallel is the thing about the supercomputer, that you sort of have a bunch of one big dominating computer that then sends tasks out to small subcomputers that all have their own set of chips, and those chips are not much more sophisticated than what you would have on like a typical gaming computer or something like that. It's just that there's so many of them that causes it to be super, quote unquote. That's people call the jargon for it is high parallelization computing, or high performance computing. That's the HPC, but it's highly parallel in its computation. So you can do a lot of the task all at once rather than doing it in series just really, really fast. And so if you want to test like, for example, the first place I used it was when I was doing stuff I was talking about before, right? That you wanted to assess how every potential drug was interacting with the protein of interest. So basically the deal is you just make a bunch of individual tasks, send it to a supercomputer, and it will put each of those tasks on the little subcomputers, run them all at the same time instead of one after the other, and then return it all back to you as efficiently as it can. So that sort of stuff is the stuff that I'm doing a lot in my job, is interacting with that kind of machinery.
Right. And so, like, in theory, something that could take weeks on your laptop might be done in
it might take
minutes.
like in a few hours. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And specifically, one type of chip that's getting a lot of notoriety is the graphics processing unit, right? That's GPUs, the exact sort of thing that you put in a gaming computer to make the graphics really shine, is the exact same kind of operation you want to use when you're training machine learning algorithms. Basically, the math for creating an image, for rendering an image, is very, very similar to the math that is used to train neural networks. And so there's been a lot of demand.
I don't know where we're going, Bob.
We messed up,
Help
Mandy.
me.
Follow me. Click on me,
Wait.
and then right click on my name bar, and then click follow.
Oh my god, I forgot about
I think
that.
we didn't want to come to this place where we came to.
Wait. Do I look like I'm following you? I can't click on you. You're moving. You're
You
not
need to click
clickable.
right click on my name bar on the right side of your screen,
Okay,
not on my
now I'm
character.
following. Got it.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you. We done gone the wrong way.
Yeah, I think we messed that up real bad.
Sorry, Eric.
Nope. No problem.
So, yeah, I mean, those are very cool, and that's how you do all of your computing. You almost don't use your own machine to do your science, right?
Well, it's actually surprising. For the ML stuff, the machine learning stuff that I do, I actually do tend to use my own machine just because it's still kind of like a work in progress. I'm kind of prototyping on my own machine. That I've got a machine in the lab that has a pretty solid GPU on it. So I'm able to train sufficiently on my own machine, but definitely if you want to like go full blast with an architecture that you're really certain like is the answer to your problem, then yeah, you put that on a GPU on a supercomputer and just let it run. And actually it's not that big of a barrier of entry for smaller problems to train on a GPU. You can definitely do it, fit it all on just one GPU rather than doing this huge cluster multi-GPU things. That's really more of a like an OpenAI or Google thing where they have these huge unwieldy models that are trying to solve every universe's problems all at once. They're kind of
So, how big are the data sets you're talking? So you're giving descriptors as big and small. How big a thing could you run, and do you normally run on your laptop? Or
in terms of like parameters, it's usually like a few million rather than the billions that are in most
a few
like
million
ChatGPTs.
Observations or variables?
I'm talking about
or
parameters,
both?
like the weights of the model that are being learned. As for the amount of observations, it's kind of actually a not clear question because I'm dealing with graphs that each node can be considered an observation. Each graph could be considered an observation. So in terms of the number of graphs, it's like couple 100,000, like 400 or 500,000 graphs, and each of those graphs
I'm
has
a frog.
about
Help.
yeah. For
That
some
happens
reason,
when you
the
go
water
in the water.
turns you into a thing.
Okay.
We need to like get up on these posts and make our way to the thing in the middle. I'm unclear.
Oh, we have a jumping puzzle.
You
for
right
this?
click on them.
Yeah,
Oh,
you're
okay,
just
good.
not gonna
Boing.
do that. Okay. That makes more sense.
And we're also supposed to fight these
Hello?
monks. Oh, the
Yes.
jump range. The jump range is a little outrageous. I like it.
Thankfully, I'm a mage, so I can kick your ass from a distance.
Oh, no. Oh, okay. Gong. Did that ring the bell for you guys?
Yeah, it did. I
No.
think. Oh,
Ah!
it rang, but it didn't actually like count.
I'm still a frog.
You need to get to the edge of the water and not be a frog.
I am
And-
at the edge of the water and I'm on a thing, but I'm being attacked by a bird. Okay.
Oh,
If
that
you try
probably-
like this,
What
this
the
area right here.
shnikes?
I like that the monks just stand here waiting on these pillars all day, and then we just come up and fight them.
Oh, I can't kill any more monks. Got it.
Oh, yeah. I forgot that all of our kills were mixed together.
Oh, you
What
do.
is this? Stronger than hard
Help.
tier wood reed.
Um,
Where are you?
That's
Mandy?
why I'm a frog, because
How-
you have
how-
to do the reeds. that are in the
Oh, I
water.
see. I see.
how do I get off of the pole?
Go to the
There's a
center.
down arrow above your action items.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Oh, I see.
I just
Ah,
went back
there
and
it
rang
is,
the bell
yes.
again.
Ow, the bird. The bird is ow.
Now you understand my
The bird in my
situation.
parts. I'm getting birded. We were living different lives.
We were.
Oh, I'm a panda right now. Come here, bird. Yeah, how do you like that? Come here. Come here. How do you like that? Ow, you're still not that worried about me. Got it. I murdered a bird. It's fine.
All answers become
You got
clear.
him.
Discipline and practice lead us to our full potential.
Oh, that's two birds, huh?
I'm coming. Or not, maybe. I'm up a frog. I done been frogged again. Oh, Arnar.
Arnar.
Oh boy.
In front of me, he's the one who decided to be under me.
Patience is the
Yeah,
highest
bird
virtue.
quest hard.
I think I did it.
Come here.
so
Stop evading me. Okay.
Slow down.
Do you need help with your birds?
Eh,
I think they're literally just there to be pain. I think
Yes.
we can't fight them.
yeah, we're not supposed to kill them, I don't think. We're just supposed to deal with
Be
it.
eaten by them. Ooh, now I'm a snake or something. Oh no, I'm a skunk.
I need more hard tier wood something.
Something dark side.
The reed that is somehow already pre-fluted. Bird. I'm gonna need
There
you
are
to
many
leave.
birds here. Ooh, somebody spooked him. Thanks.
Uh-huh. Oh, come on.
Well, glad that's over with. Does everybody have all your stupid reads?
I got 2 more.
Nope.
Oh.
I have 5 more to get.
I feel like I made the right decision here. All the pain while you guys were doing whatever you were doing.
The other quests?
Yeah, did you do the
and
other
so
two
maybe
quests, Mandy?
I did, but
Oh, okay.
maybe I got credit for them for you guys.
I see.
Uh, Yeah.
I'm just hacking the system here. Hacking the mainframe, as if you will.
They call it a carry.
What?
Getting carried.
Oh.
Ooh, guys,
was like,
I
why
have taunt
carry?
now.
Or carry.
White tiger watch.
Oh, you can
That's
taunt?
a good one to have.
Well,
That's how you tanky.
I want to get an animal.
I swear you have the ability to.
I don't see it.
I think I saw Mia say you have to be 10, like level 10 in
is
it.
what Mia said.
Lead
Yeah.
us
To get one?
potential.
Yeah,
I
that
don't
seems
think so.
really high.
I thought it was you automatically get them at 10 was what Mia was saying.
Yeah. That is what she was saying. Chat says 10.
Yeah.
Dang it. Ah.
All right, I'm standing at the rock where you turn in the other two questesses. Are you guys past that already, or?
I think I
Yeah.
am.
Oh wait, I can party sync. I'm an idiot.
Oh, crap.
You mean we've been doing our own stuff and we didn't need to be?
Are you on finding
I forgot you had to manually
Or an
turn
old
that
friend.
on.
an old friend? Are we all on finding an old friend now?
Yeah,
They're
I'm there.
very close to finding.
I'm
a
next to
friend.
the old
Oh.
man.
Hey guys, did you know
Greg's
party
already
sync was
here.
a thing?
Whoa.
I'm surprised chat wasn't all party sync, party sync, party sync, party sync.
They're you too young to know what WoW is, I guess.
Is to be favored.
We got some people in here saying they're fans of the WoW.
Live forever in your heart. You are most welcome.
The string of learning. All right.
Friends,
The sting of learning.
Oh, okay. I was gonna
Those
say I
things
could
are
probably do
different.
strings.
Yeah, no, that sounded great.
String of learning sounds really chill.
Eric, help us with this string of learning.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
The noise
Are we
the
just
panda
jumping
makes.
in?
Yeah. The noise the panda makes when it just falls and hurts itself is pretty funny. It was just like, oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
It should just be like a dad, like, damn it.
Yeah.
Ah, jeez.
So Eric, if you, Dr. Bell, if you
Yes, Dr.
had
Meiskens.
had advice to get, if someone wanted to get into what you're doing, and there's all opinions about everything all over the internet and telling them what to do, and it's like super overwhelming. If you had one bit of advice you could give them to help them succeed, what would it be?
I mean, it's just look for the opportunity to do it, right? Like, there's no quick and easy fast track to getting into it. It's that you have to put in the work to get the experience to understand what's going on. It takes time, but it's worth it in the end. And those opportunities are out there. They're definitely a lot easier to find at academic institutions because they will typically build things like research experience into the curriculum of your specific degree.
Does everyone have the sun, Pearl?
No.
No, I have to beat the man in front of it because someone aggroed him to the shell.
He was standing there when I got there. I didn't do it. He's mad
I made
though.
the wrong choice and went to turn in instead of do the Sun Pearl. So what sort of opportunities would you say people should be looking for, Eric? To like do the science, to like work on a problem, to learn to code? Yes.
I would say learn the science, specifically if you want to do bioinformatics. Learn the science first, because that will inform what you do with the code. Coding will come later, but it also helps if you can just find professors or projects at the job you're at or something like that that will marry the two ideas together. It's always a task of trying to get your hands dirty in it, right? That's the most important thing, is getting the experience doing it, and the knowledge and understanding of what's going on will come with having done it a lot. Of course, part of the job is reading literature and being up to date with what other people are doing, but that's something that will almost involuntarily come to you as you seek out these opportunities. Because the people in your lab will be talking about it like it's current events. Like, oh, did you see X paper the other day? That was really, really cool. We should be doing something like that. And then you think, yeah, we should be doing something like that. And then you go read the paper and turns out it really was cool. That sort of stuff just happens as long as you're in the environment that allows it to happen. It's just a matter of, you gotta find those environments and be choosy about those environments too, because there are a lot of people who, especially if you're early on in your career, will try and take advantage of bright-eyed and bushy-tailedness and not be interested at all in helping you advance your career. Instead, they'll more be focused on trying to get as much work out of you as they can, sort of thing. So you have to be diligent about your opportunities, but definitely seek them out.
What are we doing here?
Yeah, where is Shu the water spirit?
There's a click to use kind of deal item. And you just click it and it like summons them up out of the thing or something. And I think right now we're supposed to be playing with the water spirit. Oh, you just want to stand in their blowholes of explodiness. This is playing.
You're taking all the holes. Oh, okay, here we go.
We can share holes. You
There's
just need to be
plenty of
in
holes
the
for
area. The holes are not exclusive.
Good to know.
Oh, it's over there. I don't know the holes move that far. All right.
Oh, I didn't get in that hole.
That one jumped me up so far I was no longer walking on water.
Yeah, you have to like climb back out of the water if you get hucked too hard.
Whee! Chad is commenting on your beard, Bob.
It feels different seeing me with a beard.
Is it here to stay, or is it gonna go somewhere?
I don't know. I really think I look extra fat without it now, so I feel like I kind of want to keep it.
Fade? What? Oh, I can just disappear into nothing, huh?
What are you?
A priest?
Huh. Why are
Not
you all
something you'd
priests?
I'm a warrior. I think he's the only
Oh.
priest.
I'm the only priest.
No. Craig is too.
Craig is a shaman.
No,
Oh.
I'm a warrior. I was gonna be a shaman, and then I
okay.
gave up on it. I dropped
So
out.
we have
Yeah, he's
two
smashing.
warriors and a hunter.
Why are you all hunters? See what I did there?
No.
Shall we?
Are you all on the play with the spirit of water?
No, you have to stand
We
in the
just finished
glowy
that. Okay.
holes.
He's gotta blow you up.
I'm on the
5
source of
times.
our livelihood.
I jumped in a cart and it started taking me a place and I didn't know.
Fire.
What if that was the right place?
Eric, what do we say about getting in cars with strangers? We've
It's
talked about
fun
this.
Well, thank you, Eric. I think we covered a lot of ground, and your
Yeah.
discussion was very highbrow, and we appreciate that. Do you have any questions for us?
Not at the moment. Honestly, I've asked a lot of hardcore questions in the chat, and you guys have been answering them pretty spectacularly. I mean,
Thanks.
one question I
try.
have is, when is the newsletter coming out?
As soon as possible. We're working on it now. We got a little setback because we got a little distracted because we were working on we have now a new flyer to entice new nonprofits to work with us and to inform them a little bit about what we do and what we can do for them, so that we have a physical object. So that got put ahead of the newsletter. We prioritized that first, so now we have that to give out to people and give out to libraries to give out, and other organizations that work with a lot of nonprofits are going to use it to give out to people who hear about us and want to get a little information about us. So we spend a lot of time focusing on that, and sort of getting things going. Like now we're working in Canva, and they offer a nonprofit license to that, and that's really exciting. We're part of that program,
cool.
so we get it for free, and learning the new tools and all that. So all this to be said, we plan the newsletter to be out by the end of the month, but we're working on it.
Sounds good.
Yeah. But we're doing a lot of stuff in the meantime. Actually, one thing we can talk about is that we're partnering with the Department of Energy Lab, where we've made it past the first round in proposal, which is the one that they really sampled down. And so we're excited to be potentially collaborating to do some hardcore science evaluating AI and when it breaks, when it doesn't work anymore.
Is it specific? Are you able to be specific about what lab, or is that still under wraps?
I don't know the technicalities of that, so I'm gonna leave it in generals.
Okay.
It's good to see you.
But that's cool.
Of your travels.
Yeah, it was
Those
exciting.
grants
Made
are
it
not
past the first.
easy to get.
No, it's really hard to get past even the first level. So, it's a huge accomplishment. But now comes writing the large proposal, so that's a lot. We also this week we're working with an artist to help get our book that we've written, our toddler book that sort of educates people, mostly the parents, when they're reading the toddler book, right? But it gives some realistic advice about how one could and should be using chatbots to sort of. But it's a cute little story about Andy the AI, and we're working with an artist to get that illustrated. So hopefully that'll be coming out soon.
Do you have any means to make that a physical release, or will that just be like?
The plan is to self-publish it and offer it as a book that we can give to places. We don't know the exact way it's gonna work yet, or like how we can do it, but like if you buy one, theoretically, like we'll donate some or whatever, that sort of deal. I don't have the exact details on how that process is going to work, but the point is that we want to get this information out to as many people as possible. So we're not trying to gatekeep it or keep it somewhere. We might even make a YouTube video of us reading it. There are all sorts of things that we can do to make sure everyone has access to learn about it. And it's just so it's way overstating it because it's a toddler book, right? It's like 10 pages and it's like 20 sentences then, and they're very basic, but I hope it can start the conversation about AI. And even if you're someone who doesn't have a toddler, it's still just a fun little thing to refer back to about some best practices there.
And in the bigger picture, the book is just one of the ways that we're hoping to create content to educate different age groups and different subjects and all sorts of stuff. But the book is really exciting, and as we've been working with libraries and more things along those lines that are more community projects. Ideally, it'd be great to be able to just deploy a lot of books and just hand stuff out. So, and the artist we talked to is really nice, good art. So I'm excited to see all that.
That should be cool.
Also, I'm gonna cry a lot when James gets the book. So his hands on the book.
So we need to be getting turnips.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
have to go underground.
Where
There's
do we go?
Oh,
So
I have
there's
not
this-
done that.
there's these big piles of dirt. Specifically, there's one over here where I am.
Okay.
Which one
I'm
is?
with you.
Oh, that's you. I see. Craig,
The
are
one
you
on
with
the
us?
mound of dirt.
I think
Here.
I
Are you on
just-
still? Are you on still good and rascals?
I just got to those. Yeah, I'm just getting
Okay.
here now.
Let's hang out a second and let Craig come over here.
Yeah.
Or you guys
yeah.
can go. I'll hang out up here. You can go.
I think I can. Yeah.
It took
Oh,
forever
nice.
in those water pools. Those were annoying.
Oh, hey, what's up, dude?
Oh, you
hey.
got friends.
I
huh?
help. Okay, he ran away. Yeah, so you need to kill a bunch of these a-holes, right?
Okay. Oh, in this thing. Okay, I see.
Oh, yeah.
That's yeah.
And
I'm
then
being
in
attacked
here,
by
these guys
possums.
will drop the vegetables as drops on their corpse.
I see. Get out of here.
Yeah.
Oh, there's also just giant carrots laying around. Sure,
Yes,
sure,
those
sure.
are. Go take my
Oh,
carrots.
yeah. That'll also do it.
I picked exactly the wrong person. Craig was fighting someone, and I was like, "I'll save you." I think you're probably good. Oh no, is my bag full? No, my bag's not full.
Thank you.
Why is
So
there a
we
carrot
need-
altar?
Because carrot holiday.
True. 'Tis the season.
Yeah, I got plans, Eric. I'm gonna make a bunny cake.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be like duck cake and Bluey.
So do we need to go up out of this hole and into another hole?
Yeah, I
Is
think
that sort of
there's
the idea?
different holes for different vegetables.
Ah,
Got it.
we're in the carrot hole. We need
We're
to
just
find the
sort of
turnip
killing a
hole.
lot of extra guys in that area.
They deserved it.
What is over here? Oh no, these ones are just above ground.
Oh,
These pumpkins.
He's over here in the mountains, I think.
Yeah.
Or
I'm
through
over.
the mountain for us anyway. In this way. In the vermin grotto.
ah. Sure.
Can you have a plump vermin as a pet? One of these like weird rabbits as a hunter pet?
I
Because
think
these
you
are
can.
these are amazing. I've never seen this in all of WoW, but they look ridiculous.
All right, and then the other one is over
all the way
this away.
southwest.
Oh, hey, Cripster's in chat.
Hi.
Cripster,
Sorry, do you
Sorry, we're
do
cheating
you like
on
this
you.
game or
We forgot. We forgot.
Cripster, can you have a plump vermin as a pet for a hunter? I feel like you would know this.
he definitely knows that. He definitely knows there's a specific place where you can get a specific one that's the coolest one to have.
What? Oh, I accidentally pressed the scream button trying to loot.
Thank you. Oh, I hear the boy up.
Oh,
Yeah, he's up.
Cripster, that is
I'm
a
a
very
hunter.
good. Oh, honestly, that's both. Cripster is the real question here. Can I have two following me around? Is what I'm looking for.
I'm sorry, what is this huge thing whose fin is just flapping out of the water?
I think it's a turtle.
You know, turtle guy. That's his name, right, Crip? Oh, I can't do mining. That's right. Mining is like a job or something.
That's a profession, yeah.
Also, Eric's going to be arrested, so that's what you're
Oh yeah, it happens. We have a firehouse that lives right next to us, so anytime there's a fire, I know.
There's more fires than I would have thought.
Right? What are you
Yeah.
doing in Nashville?
I would not have guessed quite as many fires as you seem to have.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get dead. Help
Oh,
me, Skibby.
where are you? Where are you?
Oh, Mia says.
Wait, which one?
The answer.
Which one is you?
both.
Where are you?
Thank you.
There you are. I got it. Boop. No longer deaded.
I cannot attack that.
You have a shield for free.
Thank you.
I love this. I love this bunny thing. Bob's killing it, but it's pretty much the best animal in the World of Warcraft.
The whole world of Warcraft?
Yeah, the whole thing. When is it a playable class?
Plump vermin class.
Yeah.
When?
I mean, I saw on April Fools they did house class where you could just be a building.
Does Bob have another WoW window open that's just running launcher music?
It's possible.
I
Oh
do,
my god, it's
so.
actually happening. Thank you, chat. I thought this game was just the most annoying piece of garbage that's ever existed. I mean, it's not garbage. I actually do enjoy it, but I was like, man, there's a lot of consistent music in this game. God damn. Why is that possible? Why is that even a thing?
I just turned my music off. I was like, screw you, too much sound. That's
Man.
so funny.
Yeah, so chat, anyway, I have about 19,000 hours in this game. I don't know if you could tell. I definitely know what I'm doing. This is like
the only thing you've played since
Yeah,
you were
basically
born?
a professional WoW streamer. So,
Yeah.
We do have we were like 110 before the squish.
Yeah, I have
like-
my high level now is 41, I think.
Well, we
Yeah.
did a lot of the quest things. What are they called? The dungeons.
Yeah.
Until next time.
Oh my gosh, Ragus. I thought this was gonna be a guy we were gonna talk to.
Nope. Well, he's being mean.
Yeah, that's really rude.
Bro, let me cast my spell on you.
I put a spell on you. Oh, he just like chomped my whole head.
Oh, he's guarding the thing. He
Got
doesn't
it.
have the thing. He's guarding the thing.
Sorry, I just realized I wasn't like equipping new items as I was getting them, so I'm
Oh, I
Yeah,
haven't either.
Keep forgetting that too.
I mean, it doesn't super matter yet, but I was still wearing
Yeah.
like my trainee robes or whatever. Started playing this on release. Holy cow.
I'm eating bread or something.
Why'd you guys kill Ragus?
Because
He tried
I
to kill us first.
Yeah, I tried to talk
Listen.
to him.
Hey, Ragus. Oh God, hey, Ragus is back.
Wait, can he
Are
be
we
a hunter
cool,
pet?
or-
Oh no,
oh.
he's mad.
I would
Nah, I
not
don't-
suggest him talking to him. He's not very nice.
Ow. Hey, get out of there. Come above ground, you little...
Oh, I forgot. Now I have the ugliest outfit known to man. Hey. Need planks. We got a plank around.
Yep.
Do we share planks or are they individual?
Nope.
I
Any
just
pickups
started
are
getting them,
individual.
so...
Kills are shared. Pickups are individual.
I just picked them all up, so they might respawn, but they were like all over this area we were standing.
Yeah, I'm already finding a bunch, so I don't think it should be too bad.
Oh, and everyone is 2. I did them. What you guys doing? Fighting over here? What's going on?
We're stutter stepping.
Yeah, that's how one normally walks.
We're skipping. It's funny. Next week, you know how I title the streams like with what day it is, even though I forgot to do that because we have a guest. Happy National High Five Day, by the way, everyone.
Oh snap!
High
Mandy,
fives!
come here.
Is that a thing?
Yes, next week
Yeah,
is
it's
actually
definitely a thing. Mandy, come here.
next.
No, I'm saying, is that a thing in WoW? No, as far as I'm aware.
Isn't it? Was it? I swear there was a thing. Was it? Is it like
can
hug or
do
something
that.
that you can do that's like interactive?
I'm sorry, you can caramel dancing? Oh, that's just your slash dance. Okay.
I swear. No.
Well, you can't poop.
Oh no, it does.
so-
It actually says in the title, you give Panda Bonk a high five. There's no animation for it, but we are
Oh,
technically
there we go. I put
Aw.
my hand up for a high five. Apparently,
yes.
I
So-
was typing it with a space because I'm ignorant of how things work.
So technically, we have participated in National High Five Day. Next week, though, is next Thursday is National Skipping Day, and I thought it'd be really funny if we just skipped the stream to honor it. And then I read the description, and it's actually about skipping, like the movement, not
Physical movement.
not skipping something.
not going to class.
Yeah,
It's about skipping school. Stay out of school, kids. Happy holiday.
it is not that one. That is not what the holiday is. But that's what I originally thought when I read it.
Oi, level 10.
Do you remember how we used to have skipping races in elementary school? I think that would be
Yeah.
funny as an Olympic sport.
It'd
Just
be
have, like, a
so
bunch of-
serious.
Sweaty tryhards all seriously skipping.
Okay, I'm 10 now. Where's my animals?
Where's your bitches at?
Where's my animals? Animals.
The greatest virtue
I want
is the will
animals.
to act.
Yeah, that's James.
Mhm.
He loves animals, but it's a trained dinosaur era.
Do you have a little thing flashing in the bottom right? You might have to click that to pick your.
Yeah, my combat specialization. Beast mastery, of course.
Oh,
It's not classic. It's the new one.
Retail or whatever. Apparently, I done woke Woogo.
I'm with you. The greatest virtue is the will to act.
I don't know the difference between discipline and holy. I guess I'll be a holy priest.
Okay, okay. How do I get my friend now? And should we go back to the bunnies as a follow-up?
All right, I'm a protection guy.
Always now.
You protect, but also attack?
I'm apparently in battle stance. I don't know what that means.
Battle stance is like your attack form, and then you have to go to defensive stance to be tanky boy.
Hmm.
I only know this because my classic character is warrior. I have no idea what new skills they put in retail.
Now I can target Mandy and do the old yike, intervene
Thank
and protect
you.
you. There you go. This is my entire build is based around just protecting Mandy
Me. I appreciate
at all
that.
costs.
That sounds reasonable to me.
Sounds like a thing you want.
Yeah. Thanks. I deserve this.
I can res. That's a good thing to have.
Hello.
That does sound like a good thing to have.
Oh, there is a tame beast button
Oh, we
now.
have to go
Okay.
all the way back to the yucky. We should start running, I guess.
Oh wait, oh there you are.
Do we want to chugga
There's a
choo
cart,
choo?
guys. There's a cart.
Oh,
Oh nice.
where Mamdy?
I'm getting my butt handed to me by this plump vermin.
Oh, you're going to get your bro?
Yeah.
Okay. I got you. Oh my god, what are you doing to his soul?
I'm trying to steal it or whatever.
Here, I'll kill this one.
I don't know what's wrong with this. You killed him.
I was trying to move away.
Well, now we'll never know.
Well, get another one. Here, I'll bring one to you. Hiya! Is there a way for me to stop my attacking?
There was in classic. I don't know if there is here.
I guess I'll just face my ass to him. Did you get him?
Well, I killed that one. I
Oh.
don't know how I'm doing this wrong. Hit escape a bunch.
Oh, I think that's to stop attacking.
Oh yeah, that'll do it. Because that'll untarget them.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, there's like a
Yay!
button. There's like a tame beast button. I think it's like
Yeah, I'm pressing it.
Oh, well, then I have no idea. That's all I know.
They're telling me that the bunny is not tameable.
What?
Ah.
When where do we submit suggestions to Blizzard? Is this on the forums? When do I get a plushie? This is the perfect. They should have made it tameable this week. That seems like
Okay, Mia
Good
thinks I
time.
just need to try harder, that it just attacks you the whole time.
you've got this.
Oh, was no one else getting in the cart?
Oh, I'll be there. I'm just trying to get a good trying to film Mandy getting the pet here. You just shoot it a few times. Oh.
I don't think this cart goes much faster
I
than just
really
walking.
don't understand what I'm doing wrong. Oh, can't do it with the bunnies. Okay. My bad. Our dreams
alright.
are all dead now.
Come here, dum-dum.
Oh, we're level 10. We have mounts anyway. Where's my
Don't you
mount?
have to learn them and buy them or whatever?
Not anymore.
Really? We just
Is it just in your? Where do you get your mount then? That's an
Why
good
do I not
question.
have any mounts? What are you talking about?
Are they in like your
Requires level. What? It says requires level 10. I am level 10. What are you talking about? Am I not level 10? Am I crazy? I'm 10. What?
You gotta learn writing, man says. Which I thought that was a thing.
In my recent retail experience, you just get given writing.
Maybe it was
You
because
don't have
of
to go
whatever you
learn it
were.
from anyone.
I'm at the cart. Are we just gonna do the cart?
I'm going to the cart.
I don't know where the cart is. You
Come
guys
to
keep
where
talking
I
about a
am.
cart.
Here. Come over here.
Action
we
bars.
getting in the
Action bar
cart?
2. That's what I need.
Is Eric already gone?
I got in the cart and realized it was super slow, so now just I'm sitting in the cart's path. So you'll hit me with the cart.
Sitting in the cart and it's not moving. Oh, there we go.
We all take our own carts.
Apparently.
There's no sharing of carts here.
Okay, it's just
What is
psychopathic
the
because
name
it's not.
of this game?
Hi,
You're
Eric.
serious.
Do you see me? Oh,
No,
I went right through
I
you.
don't.
I went right through you.
Okay, I guess you become invisible once you get in the cart, and I'm not allowed to ride the horse that I'm allowed to ride.
Suck it.
Yeah, you're not allowed to ride your horse.
All it says is that it requires level 10, and I am level 10, and it doesn't think I'm level 10.
Requires level
They think
10
it's different,
and
maybe because
getting
you're
good.
pandas. Because of the panda situation.
It's possible that there are panda-specific mounts, but you would think it would tell you that if it was like, oh, you can't ride a horse because you a big panda.
I know.
Maybe you can.
No, I'm pretty sure you can because
Crib says you might not be able to ride it on this island
Oh, that could make sense.
because this is baby tutorial island,
Yeah.
and they don't expect you to have a mount this early.
I know, but like, how are we level 10 and we're on baby tutorial land? That's crazy to me.
Yeah, that's how fast retail leveling is these days. They really want you to buy the expansion.
So you get to 20 as fast as possible, and then it's very slow.
No, it's that you get to max level pretty quick, and then you spend all your time raiding is what they want from you.
Why do I have a yellow circle in the middle
Oh
of
my
screen?
gosh, I'm a hurricane.
I put that on
Oh
your
yeah,
head.
why?
I didn't know that shows up for you.
Oh,
why go
okay.
into space?
Here, now it's purple. See?
Oh, well, that's correct anyway.
I'll turn it off though. I usually put that on when Mia and I play. Then I'm like, oh, I can see where Mia is because she's the character with the thing on her head.
Hey, I'm in a tornado. Doing that thing you guys were talking about.
The spirits of water and earth to make an old master proud.
Is there a point to the tornado, or
Well, you go up.
It's taking
and then
you up.
We go.
And then there's a guy who tells you to follow him. I wonder
Oh,
if
I
I can
didn't get the
slash
guy.
follow.
This way to Morning Breeze Village.
I cannot follow him. Okay. Oh, hey, this is where the dragons are.
Ooh.
Remember that? How we were like riding dragons and stuff?
we're horde chat?
Although
evil
it
pandas.
doesn't matter at this point.
I don't think we're technically horde yet,
Yeah.
story wise.
Also, did Eric just say the Horde was evil?
They're
Controversial
clearly meant to
statement.
be the bad guys.
Maybe we should have you and Crip fight it out.
Eric is wrong. Well, there you go.
We solved it here. Eric is wrong.
Man, my caffeine's not working at all. Probably need more caffeine.
It's because the baby got you up in the middle of the night.
I love that he
Anybody
does
else
that all
have
the
a
time
baby
now.
that just never sleeps? We got one. He's the best.
Between the
But
hours of 3 and 6 a.m., anything can happen.
he likes to party with his dad in the middle of the night. He'll just wake up and start talking about, I don't know, what giraffes eat.
He does like that.
And you're like, cool,
Yeah, but-
let's talk about this tomorrow.
Your 19-year-old doesn't sleep, and I respect that. But also, they could not sleep on their own.
It's
Does
true.
your 19-year-old cry when they choose not to sleep? Because that's really the main problem we run into.
It's good to see you. Welcome. I'm with you.
Lucas knows how to turn on
It's
the
good to see you.
Xbox and everything, so he'll wake up in the middle of the night and just start like playing games to the point that I have to be like, oh, did you have to go to bed? Why are you awake? Oh wait, I went the wrong way.
I'm
Bob,
sorry.
coming.
The guy's name is Jojo Ironbrow, but I looked at it really quick, and my brain was like, Joe Burrow?
It's him.
Slow down.
Man, I didn't know he played WoW. That's awesome.
So this is unrelated to anything that most people here care about, but hockey, sad, right? Right?
Yeah, it was a little rough. They tried though.
Go. I don't even know. Who are you rooting for? Who are you rooting for?
So this is what I'm gonna do. I like to I bandwagon Toronto just so that I can follow along with Steve Dangle's experience of
Yeah. I see.
the thing. But otherwise, it didn't have.
We
that's usually what I
lived
do.
in North Carolina, so I usually kind of just root for the Canes because
But what about rooting for the team with the guy that broke the record? So that he
generally the Capitals are
cup
not to be
and-
rooted for. Honestly, he got the
But then
record.
he
They can
could
suck
have
it.
okay. I
The
was gonna say it could have
The
a cup and
Capitals are
retire in
a
victory.
deeply unlikable team, and it's
Oh, okay.
it's
Boo.
cool that he
Apparently
got
boo
the
me.
record, but
Okay.
boo Washington.
Okay.
I got to watch the Capitals knock out the Blue Jackets one year. Like we went when it was super cheap, so then I've just always had a grudge against them. Basically, if a team beats my team when I'm there, I will have a grudge against them, so I can't root for the Capitals.
Hmm.
Yeah, we went to a bunch of San Jose games when we lived out that way in the Bay, and boo Ducks, boo Kings, go Sharks.
First game I went
I'm
to.
just saying, I've never been to a game where the team I'm rooting for is lost. So
That's true.
I think what we've learned here is invite Mandy.
Yeah, Mandy should come to hockey.
I will point out the Blue Jackets only needed one more game of a win to make it. So
And I was sick for the game we were supposed to go to, and they lost. So
we got to go to more games next
That's
year.
basically Mandy's fault. That's what I'm hearing.
That's kind of true.
I feel like there's a few more people that we could kind of look at to blame for the performance.
Listen, don't let Mandy off the hook so easy, okay?
I'm saying it's a team sport, you know? It's everyone.
Saying it's also our fault?
Yes.
I see. Are my bags full? Am I as stupid? Oh, my bags are full.
possible,
I am as
yeah.
stupid.
What if we cheered better, you know? We could have helped the team, Bob.
It's possible.
I
I
haven't
just-
sold anything yet. That seems like a bad thing.
Yeah, is there a place to sell in this joint we're hanging in out at right now?
Probably.
I haven't paid very
we'd have
close
to go-
attention, but I haven't actually seen that.
They're
Can-
usually
can
near
I
like the
tame a
turn-in people.
monkey?
Maybe you can try to.
Oh, it's saying invalid target.
Do you need assistance?
No.
No, you really don't.
Crip, we're not sure if we're going to play more of this. This was a Eric request. He is our guest, and we talked about much science.
Yeah.
Not sure if we'll play more.
Defeat Scroll of Wisdom burned. How we do
Yeah.
that?
Defaced. Scroll of Wisdom burned.
Oh, okay, got it. So I don't have to defeat
You know
it.
you can turn up the text size, right, Bob?
I did. It's I just don't read good. It's not that it's not readable. It's that I'm not reading it carefully. I look at it once and I'm like, yeah, I got it.
Yeah, Joe Burrow wants us to defeat the scrolls.
Listen, Joe, if you could point me in the direction of the scrolls. I'm just afraid I'm gonna run into who's that guy who what's his name? Taylor Swift's boyfriend?
Travis Kelce.
Kelsey. Something Kelsey. How do I burn the scrolls that I can't apparently get up to? I'm too stupid.
You hop up.
I cannot.
Then you get an adult to help you.
Please help me.
I'm not an adult.
All right, I defeated one scroll of wisdom.
There we go. There's a man that can... Yeah, there are men over by the turn-ins that you can sell to.
Good.
Sell.
Poo not good to eat, but very good to throw. I thought I was saying that. I'm really glad that was one of the monkey guys. All right. Go tell Joe I defeated his scrolls.
Peel
Oh crap! Am
banana
I selling
first,
stuff that
eat
I'm
second.
not wearing
Can
yet?
you-
And that's
Can
why
you
it's...
guys teach that to James?
Welcome.
Okay, I need to undo all of my selling. Because I have stuff that I have not equipped yet.
I need one more to burn.
I wasn't wearing any shoes.
Time to act is always now. The greatest virtue is the will to act.
Can I sell it to the blacksmith? Is that the thing? Is that the guy?
Yes.
Got it.
He will also repair your stuff. Although that's more of an issue for a classic than it is here.
I gotta use some heals, friends. The monkey's really
I'm
gave it
busy
to me.
doing capitalism. I'm coming.
Thank you.
Ooh, sharpened letter opener. All right, I have inventory again. I guess repair my stuff, whatever.
Oh,
Okay,
this
I
is
don't
not...
know if I'm gonna feel complete if I don't have a pet by the end here.
How we get Mandy a pet?
The monkeys were apparently not valid either.
Maybe it's once we get off the... Maybe you can't tame anything on the island.
That's also possible.
Hmm.
Which, how do we
Let's
be
tackle
not
this
here
one
anymore?
together.
Usually you can just like walk past all the losers who are giving you quests and fly away. but it seems like that's not a thing here because I'm not seeing any flight.
Yeah, well, Panda
locators.
World is a little different, right? Like,
Apparently the foxes were tameable, but we're not near those guys anymore.
no,
Yeah,
we're
that
not.
was way back east.
Oh, that's a cool little move.
Who's killing the Hosiers?
Hello.
Oh, that's a lot of monkeys.
Indeed, it is.
Oh, I just realized there's a guy following me, and I've just been doing whatever. Sorry, bro.
Time to act is
Well, there's little pots we're supposed to be collecting. Guys, don't forget to get your pots.
Okay. Get pots. Found
Get
some-
pot, kill monkeys, peel banana.
Oh my god, there's like been a massacre here. What did you all do?
We
What are
killed
these?
monkeys.
What are these floating air juices that I'm drinking without thinking about it?
I think it's beer.
That's probably fine.
I don't know if it's beer, but I think there's a lot of different like kegs and stuff that they have as like it. I don't know. You can also get. I ate one of my abilities is just to eat some bread, which is pretty cool.
I see what Bob is talking about. It's not an item. It's just like a floaty.
It's like
Oh.
a thing of water floating in the air, and you can walk up to it and just have a gulp, which seems fine.
Oh, isn't that the kind of like the thing that Lily has in Heroes of the Storm?
Maybe?
She has tea.
Oh, okay.
It's good to see you.
That
Oh, he just knocked him off the cliff.
was awesome.
Bro,
Look at
I don't
that.
want to go
Also-
down there.
Do you guys have a guy following you? I feel
Yeah.
unsafe.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
he's just like hanging out.
He just does a bunch of smackies. That's
Where are Ruck-Rucks? Or where is the run one Ruck-Ruck?
he is where circle is on map.
Oh, right. Map. Circle. Got it. Throw
So
poop.
he's to
Got it.
help us with the monkeys. Got it.
Yes, because there are many monkeys.
I need to fight by you more often.
For how many monkeys there are, I would expect more pots.
There's a rando who's about to kill Ruck before us. I'm gonna try tagging it to
That all you've got?
see if our group can get it. Get credit for it.
And he's down for the count.
Did you
Nice.
guys get it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
I'm still doing fireworks.
We did it, guys. We killed Ruck-Ruck.
Yeah.
Yay!
And I died.
Yay!
Eric can resurrect or something.
Oh yeah, I can do that. Where's your corpse? Or did you already
I already
pop
respawned.
your corpse?
Yeah.
I think that actually doesn't matter. I think I still should be able to res. Which one of you is res? Which one of these sparkly hand icons is res? There it is.
So Chad,
Oh, cool.
we've been playing the game for a while, but remember, we're here to talk about Real Good AI, which is a nonprofit that helps other organizations with their AI needs. specifically other nonprofit organizations that are already doing good to help the world. We help them understand their data and use AI so it can best improve any practices. So we help in a very, very small way. We are happy to answer any questions you have about AI. Eric is here. He's happy to answer any questions about his scientist career. He's a real scientist using AI in the wild to solve big problems, particularly related to health and vaccines and drugs and those sort of things are the sort of applications he works most in. Yeah. And thanks for watching. Oh my god, monkeys are murdering me!
I can do that.
There's so many monkeys!
Yeah, that's why the kicks behind you, man, is good to have. Here, I wonder if I can do this. That help? Sort of.
You feared him?
Yeah.
Thank you. This one has a gun!
Oh yeah, he's a fire stealer. Oh, we should have left. Now they're re-aggroed.
Okay, thank you. We survived.
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
That is a song that I hear very often at this house, but it is.
I'm a beast person, Crip.
It is redone with the Sunny Bunnies, though, so it is no more Sunny Bunnies jumping on the bed, and I hear it at least 10 times a day. Every day.
Yo, both your rewards suck, dude.
Goodbye.
You know, I wonder if this balloon just takes us away. It probably does.
Ooh, it's after 4. We should end the stream.
Should we try the balloon and see if it sends us away?
Yeah, do it.
Okay.
I have to go talk to Lady on Pillar first, and then maybe we might get a quest that activates the balloon. Let me see.
I feel like that's a solid ending of like the... Now we've left. I fell off this rope.
Oh boy, that looks like
kind of easy.
To mess up.
Everyone else is like, oh, okay. Everyone else is like, it's hard, and then Eric was like, it's easy.
My statement. Come on, get good. It's easy to fall off.
Been out of character for Eric to just think it's really easy when we all think it's hard. We gotta locate Def Fang.
That Fang.
Oh no! You made me laugh so much I fell off.
Are we locating Defang or are we getting in a balloon?
I mean, the balloon was not interactable, it seemed like.
Oh. Disappointment.
Yep.
Well, if we do this again, Defang next.
Yeah. And the balloon.
I mean, he is the spirit of air. So maybe. But yeah, you guys go ahead and close it out.
Turn in those quests. Who's not turning in their quests?
Me. I should do that. Where do I... Oh, he's standing right there. Alright. Alright. Hold on. Oops. I started walking on the rope and this guy was in my way and I wasn't paying attention to him at all. Alright. Alright, my quests are complete. Now I'm done.
Nice.
The greatest virtue is the will to act.
And Bob is dancing.
Yeah, obviously. Why is Ryan's stream on my stream? What's happening?
I don't know.
There we go. That's what we want.
Well, thank you, Dr. Bell, Eric, Dr. Bell.
Thank you
We'll
for
look out for your
inviting me,
papers.
Dr. Mandy.
Okay, thank you. And thank you so much, chat, for coming to hang out. We had fun. We hope you had fun and learned something too.
That's good stuff. Should we...
Huh?
Sorry, I was looking if we should turn this stuff in, and then I was like, nope, no more quests. We're done. I'm going to go over here and just dance with everyone.
Dance party time.
Dance, dance, dance. I don't know if this is a main part of everyone else's parenting, but dance parties are way more prevalent in toddler life than you would think.
They solve a lot of problems.
Impromptu dance sessions constantly.
Yeah. Problems come up, dance parties are usually the solution. I've never done that before in my life, but it's a thing. Yeah, anyway, I mean, I guess I'm going to end my stream and raid you guys, because make sure that you're following Real Good AI, twitch.tv/RealGoodAI. I will not always be here when Real Good is live. Craig is actually, tomorrow you're doing the Only Up challenge again, right?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Which was really funny last week.
It was interesting. It hurt a little bit. My soul was a little crushed, but the I got very high up there. But yeah, we're gonna play. We'll do some Only Up tomorrow. That should be the stream that puts the Real Good AI channel into affiliate status, hopefully. So
nice.
We'll see. There's a process, so we have to fill out paperwork and do that. It's not like it pops up on the stream, but hopefully tomorrow's the day we become an affiliate. Which then, nope, I just said it isn't the day. Hopefully today is the day we are approved to become affiliates, and then we'll go from there.
And then next time we all stream together, you'll be an affiliate. You'll have the little thingy.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Probably, maybe. But hopefully. I don't know if it happened that fast. But maybe next Thursday.
Hopefully. And if not, then
anyway,
it'll be next Thursday.
Everyone should be raiding over now. So it's basically the same stream. You just see Craig instead of me.
Yeah.
Big follow. Guy. Follow the thing, guys. Follow the WhatsApp. And if you're on YouTube,
follow the thing.
Twitch.tv/RealGoodAI. Sorry.
Skirm, thank you for the raid.
Oh, anyway, I would end my stream since I raid anyway.
Fair enough.
Bye. But also not bye, because I'll still be on Craig's stream.
Bye. Not. Ish.
But cool. Everyone that's here, I saw some people follow the channel, which is cool. Oh, there's a few people are following. I won't call you out because then, it's no pressure. It popped up already, but let's see. Oh no, it's from an hour ago. But yeah, thank you all for following. We're going to be streaming again tomorrow. We'll be playing Only Up. We're going to be doing Fortnite Creative, which is it's an Only Up server made by Sheets, the gas station. If you heard part of this talk, Eric said that he might be working on Fortnite stuff, which is kind of neat. It's almost like a strategic idea to play some of the Fortnite stuff, but it's also really fun. I go to Sheets often, and the Only Up is rough, and I will fall. Basically, for 1 hour, I will try to climb it, and I will fail it, and then we will do it all again. But
you thought you did it last time, and then there was a whole heck of a lot above you.
I got really excited at the end. I was like, this is great. And then we went to Sheets like 2 days ago, and they had like a trailer for it, and there was like a salad area, and Mia's like, you haven't even seen the salad area. Like I was like, I don't know where that is. We got to cheese sticks or something. I don't know. Or whatever those fried things were, but
I remember, wasn't the last thing
you went through the olive?
Because you were like, all right, we're going to give this one more try. And you immediately fell through the
middle right through the olive.
And,
yeah. That was it. Yeah.
Did you notice that at the bottom of the screen, there was a thing of % completion?
No.
it said you were about 25% done.
Like 125% done, or
Eric's just here to dunk on him.
because you're
Dang.
supposed to be able to do that within an hour to unlock a special French fry back bling, but that's not. Apparently, I'm nowhere near that. Apparently, I gotta practice my sheets only up.
You got to shell out the V-Bucks to get the jetpack or whatever.
I wish I would figure it out. It'll be fun. What other stuff we're doing? Every week we talk about all the stuff we're doing, which is fun. So if you come back next week, you'll learn more stuff. Yeah. Is there anything I'm missing? I know we say a lot of the same stuff, and I know it's been a little bit longer of a stream. Oh, something exciting. We are talking to a lot of our partners. I know we say we have our nonprofit partners, and everyone asks, who are they? And we say, we can't talk about that yet. We have started working with some of our nonprofit partners we are getting closer to being able to talk about who they are and what they do, which is really exciting. So we won't be able to reveal everyone at the same time, but we're going to start being able to trickle out some of the nonprofits we're working with, which is really exciting. And Mandy's building all sorts of cool stuff. She's like, I coded this thing, look what it does. So lots of stuff we'll get into probably more next week. Other than that, I think that's it. I fully yield all of the stuff, all the talking I have. Mandy, Bob, Eric, anyone else?
Real good out.
There it is. Oh, sign up for our newsletter. Have a good one.
Yep.
Bye.
See you next
Thanks,
week.
guys.
Bye.
Bye.